Welcome to Knots and Knives. Let's get started. We're going to tie the reef knot with no hands in the way. Make it a little easier for you to see what's happening. Now, an interesting knife that you may not have seen before, the balisong or butterfly knife. First up, me manipulating the balisong, followed by someone who knows a lot more about it than I do, a real expert. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more, and check below for the links to some more information about balisong knives. Thank you.